Hello, I'm Abhilash Sharma. I'm doing MTech from IIT Jodhpur Executive Batch. So this assignment is about creating VLANs, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. As we can see, there are two PCs and connected to this switch VLAN 10 and PCs connected to another switch in a different network. We'll try to communicate between VLAN 10 to other VLAN 10 ports using trunking. So this is trunking because we have connected two switches through a network. So any communication that happens through this virtual uh, local area network to another virtual local area network will be trunking, and we can do that by pinging. So if we want to ping all these PCs, PC 1, 4, 5, which are on level 10, what we do is like we ping and we do it at 10:0. This is a broadcast. So this is a broadcast, and all the PCs 12, 13, 14, the IP address is 12, 13, 14. PC 0 is 11, then PC 1 is 12, PC 4 is 13, PC 5 is 14. We can see there is a reply response coming back from all these machines. The next part is, can we send data from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20? If yes, which network device can be used? Communication can happen from one virtual local network to another virtual local network, but because they are on a different domain. So there is a device called router, which will be connected with these two switches, and then the messaging from one network to another can happen. We'll see that into next. We'll see that in a couple of minutes. Hi, welcome back. This is the network diagram uh, for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. The two PCs seen on top, PC0, PC1 are VLAN 10, and PC2 and PC3 are VLAN 20. So we can see like the gateway is 10.1, and here the gateway is 20.1. Ideally, if they are connected with a switch, they'll not be able to communicate because they are on different networks. What we have done is like we have connected them with a router. So this is a router. We have placed a router in between switch and both the switches, and we have configured the router. I'll quickly see the CLI of CLI if it shows. Okay, so we have configured interface gigabit Ethernet 001 and 0000. Both the interfaces we have configured, and we have given this an IP address. So 20.1, and for this it is 10.1. This is bound. Okay. We'll try to ping it. That will be three, part three of this question. So ping 192.168. I'm on PC0. Let us go there. Ping 192.168.20.21. We can see there is a response coming from 20.21. That is a different network. So this is about question one. Thank you so much.